As-salamu-alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from online Quran classes. In today's video, we're going to learn different shapes of Arabic alphabets. So please read with me, and from here we're going to read first word Alif. This is the first letter, Alif. Next letter is Lam, Alif. Lam, Alif. Lam is a straight line and then turning like a circle, and then a straight line is Alif. The two things about the difference between Lam and Alif is Lam is a straight line and then turning to the left side, and Alif is a straight line. Okay, so Lam, Alif. Lam can connect with the next letter and the back letter, but Alif can only connect with the back letter because the back letter connects with Alif. Okay, next letter Lam, Alif. Next letter Ba, Alif. One dot in the bottom is Ba, and the next letter is Alif. Next letter is Lam. The purple letter is Lam, and the orange letter is Alif. Lam, Alif. Next letter, this letter is Lam, the big Lam. This one is Lam, Alif. This one is Lam, Ha. Lam, Ha. Lam can connect with the back letter and the next letter, so Lam here is connecting with the next letter, which is Ha. So the top letter, the orange letter, is Lam. Next letter is Lam, Alif. The orange letter is Lam, and the black letter is Alif. One dot in the bottom is Ba. The black letter is Lam, and this letter is Ba. There is one thing you need to understand, that the Arabic we read from right to left. The second thing is that Arabic first letter is always small. The middle letter will be small and the last letter will be big. It is opposite of English. In English writing, when you write any letter, the first letter is big, and the second letter is small, and the last letter is small. But in Arabic, the first letter is small, the second letter is small, and then the third letter is big if there is three words. This is Kaf. There is two Kaf. One is Kaf and one is Qaf. This is Kaf and Kaf. These both letters are same letters because they are together and they are same. Okay. Qaf is a heavy letter with two dots on the top. That is other letter. These two letters are same because they has a different shape. So we can make this Qaf. When you want to join this Qaf with another letter, you can make this Qaf small and then connect it with the next letter. Kaf, Ba. Kaf, Ba. Kaf, Alif. Kaf, Alif. This is a sign of Kaf. Kaf, Alif. One dot in the bottom, Ba. Kaf, Ta. This is the Kaf sign that we read it here. The small Kaf. Ta, Kaf, Sa. Ba, Ta, Sa, Noon, Ya. Ya. Some students get confused with Ya and Kaf. So for the Kaf is a straight line, and then there is a line is connected with a straight line, but Ya is like more like a circle. Okay, and Ya, the big Ya has no dot and the small Ya has two dots in the bottom. Okay, so this is Ya. One dot in the bottom, Ba, Alif. One dot on the top, Noon, Alif. To learn any letter, you must memorize the dots of each letter. The dots are the key point of remembering any letter and to know any letters. So if you know that the Ta has two dots on the top, then you will understand that this is Ta. Okay, so Ta, Alif. As I told you that the first letter of Arabic is small, so we have to make the letter small, and because of the dots, you will understand that this is Ta. Two dots in the bottom, Ya, the small Ya. Ya, Alif. Sa, Alif. One dot, Ba, Sin. Two dots in the bottom is Ya, Sin. Ya, Sin. One dot on the top is Noon, and this one is Sin. Noon, Sin. Two dots on the top is Ta, This one is sin. Ta, sin. 3 dots on the top is sa. This one is sin. Sa, sin. 3 dots on the top is sa. This letter is jim. Sa, jim. 2 dots on the top is ta. And this one is ha. Ta, ha. So any letter that you want to connect with jim, ha and kha, if that letter can connect with the next letter, then you have to connect it from here. Okay, so this was the first page. When we go to the next page, we're going to learn different letters from here. So 1 dot on the top is noon, kha. 2 dots on the top, in the bottom, ya, ha. Ba, jim. Ya, meme. Ba, meme. So this is meme. There is two memes. One is this kind, one is this kind. Okay, one is with a long line, one is with a short line. Meme. Ta, meme. Sa, meme. Ba, ya. So this is the big ya. The big ya doesn't have any dots. Okay, because of the shape you can understand this is ya, so you don't need any dots. Ba, ya. 2 dots in the bottom is small ya. Because the small ya need dots, so we bring here the dots. Ya, and this is the big ya. Ya, ya. Noon, ya. Ta, ya. Sa, ya. Noon, ba, lam. Ta, 2 dots on the top, noon, lam. Ba, ya, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Sa, lam. Noon, ba, noon. So this is small noon in the beginning and this is a big noon at the end. Noon, ba, noon. Ba, noon, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Sa, noon. Jim, ha. We go to the up page. Kha. Not on the top is kha. So jim, ha, kha. This is the big shapes. When you want to make jim, ha and kha small, you need to see the dots on the top and remove the circles. When you remove the circles, then it's going to be like that. Ha, sa. Ha, sa. Kha, ba. Jim, ta. So you simply remove the dot, simply remove the circle and connect it with the next letter, and you need to see the dots. So kha dot will be on the top, jim dot will be in the bottom, and ha doesn't have any dot. So jim, ta. 2 dots on the top. Ta, ha, ta. Ya, jim, ba. Ba, kha, ta. Okay, from here you're going to learn ta and ha. This black letter is ha. Okay, this black letter is ha. But when ha has 2 dots on the top, like here in the first word, then it changed to ta. Okay, remember again, this letter is ha, but when ha has 2 dots on the top, that will be called ta. So this one is ta and this is without dots, so this one is ha. Ha. Ba, ta. 1 dot in the bottom is ba, 2 dots on the top is ta. Ba, ta. 2 dots in the bottom is ya, and this one is ha. Ya, ha. Here the ha has 2 dots on the top, so that's why this one is ta. 2 dots on the top, ta, and this is also ha. Ha, ta, ha. Noon, ta. So ha has here the dots, so you will read this one ta. Noon, ta. Ha, ya, ha, ba. Ba, ha, alif. Ba, ha, alif. This is also ha. Ba, ha, alif, and straight line alif. Okay, this is also ha. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ha, mim. Dal, zal, dal, zal, jim, dal. So dal zal has two shapes. One is dal zal is this, and one is this one. Kho zal. This dal zal is look like a letter U, and most of the people get confused that this zal is noon. No, noon dot is in the middle. Okay, the dal dot is coming on the top. So if you know this one is dal, then you must know this one is dal. Okay, ro, za, jim, ro, kho, za. So this was the second page. We're going to learn the third page and the last page of the different Arabic letters shapes. So ro, za, ya, ro, ta, za, sin, shin, lam, shin, lam. We have to remove the circle and then connect these letters with the next letter. Sin and shin circle will be removed. Swat, dot, twa, zwa. Swat, ba, twa, ba. Dot, alif. Zwa, alif. So we're going to remove the circle of swat and dot too, and they will be like this. Okay, next one is ain, ghain. This is hamza. So here you need to learn one rule. The rule is that ain, ghain can connect with any letter before and after any letter. Okay, but hamza doesn't connect with any letters. Okay, so when you see a sign or when you see a letter which is look like ain but it is not connecting, then it is hamza, and it is hamza. Also hamza doesn't have a circle. Okay, and hamza doesn't connect with the next letter or before letter. Okay, so if you see a sign, if you see a letter which is look like hamza and it is connected, then you need to see that letter and you need to think that that letter is ain. Okay, so this is ain. Ain can connect with the next letter and the back letter. Okay, hamza never connect with any letters. Okay, so hamza, ain, za. Ain is connecting with za. Ghain, ra. Ghain is connecting with ra. Ghain has one dot on the top. Ain has no dot. Sad, ain. So here is ain connecting with the back letters. Dod, ghain. Ghain is connected with the back letters. So ain, ghain will be like that when they are just connecting with the back letters. Okay. Ba, ain, dal. Ta, ghain, zal. Ain and ghain will be like that when they are connected with the back letter and the next letters. You will remove the circle and they will be like this. Going to the bottom line. Hamza, alif. Hamza, alif. As I told you, hamza never connect with any letter. So hamza will come on the top of the letter. So it's going to be hamza, alif. Hamza, waw. Hamza, ya. Hamza will come on the top of the letter or in the bottom of the letter or before letter or after letter, but is never connect with any letters. Okay. Fa, qaf, waw. So three letters with the circle face, one dot on the top fa, two dots on the top qaf, circle face, and no dot is waw. Okay. Qaf, waw, two dots on the top, circle face is qaf, waw, fa, waw, fa, qaf, lam. Qaf, fa, lam. Two dots in the bottom, ya, fa, meme, meme. There is two memes, one is long meme, one is short meme. So both of them are meme. Ha, meme. Lam, meme. Ta, meme. Ta, meme, ta. So this meme is connected with the both letter, back letter and next letter. So you can connect meme with the both and letters. So meme will be like that. Okay. So this is for today's lesson. we learn different Arabic letter shapes. So please like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please leave a question in the comments. Thank you. As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.